Rick is correct. It's almost the end of 2021. Merry Christmas. Expired paper plate on the Chrysler. Oh look, same video clip as the last one. That's how frequently we come into contact with expired paper plates. And charge immense prices for it. Driving with no headlights on, ding. Ow, the pain of the potholes. No license plate light on the Pontiac. Also, no tail lights.
I was gonna say.
And probably no brake lights either.
There's a middle brake light.
Okay. Weird golf cart thingy.
Probably drunk asses. And I'm pretty sure that's not street legal.
It's not.
Maybe they're pretending to be a bicycle that's pretending to be a vehicle.
That could be.
They feel.
They identify as a bicycle, and bicycles identify as vehicles, I've noticed. So.
Yes, there you go.
The bicycles also identify as pedestrians when it's convenient for them.
They're whatever's convenient.
They're
person
there's
slash
something,
car
yeah,
slash
there's something fluid. I don't know what you would call it.
Vehicle fluid?
Yes, they're vehicle slash pedestrian fluid. Expired paper plates, 11/27 of 21. Pretty ballsy to be doing that in Jefferson County. Citaye, yes. County, no. I work when I ask if you want to go to dinner, guy. What a fucking bitch.
He's got places to go. And
I'm glad that fucking van cut him off.
But he didn't even need the turn.
He's trying to exit.
Oh, no, he just cut him off.
Yeah, he's just a fucking asshole.
Wow.
Why would he be in such a hurry to make a left turn to get to a red light? Why would you be in that big of a hurry? You wouldn't be. Oh, the hipsters do not look nice. Hipsters look like bad people. Nice signal.
Nice stop at a green light.
Yeah, why is that guy fucking stopped at a green light? Why?
Stop at a green light.
Yeah, why is that guy fucking stopped at a green light? Why am I gonna say? And the expired paper plates from 2/26 of 21. Fella running the red light.